We're actually about to go see this cool thing called the Tree of Life, and it's in the Olympic National Park. Should be cool, so that's where we're headed next. So that's the end of our Twilight phase. I guess I can come back to being 22 now and stop feeling like I'm 12. What a shame. Joey is so done with me today, y'all.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
It was really hot. We gotta find it. We gotta find it.
I'm wondering, is this it? That's crazy with like that little speck of roots.
And look how thick the foliage is. I feel like I'm in a foreign country. I want to go walk to the water. It's like, I've done a lot of traveling now, but the beach is still one of my like most favorite places. And I don't care what beach. I mean, maybe not Tybee Island, but you know.
As long as it's not the fruit, as it were.
That does not count as a beach. It did look very beachy though. Ooh, I bet the water's cold. It's so you can only see so far. All right, so I believe we've seen all of the things we've come to see today.
Yay!
You think so?
Yes.
Oh, where'd you find your beanie?
What?
Where'd you find your beanie? Oh, you're not wearing it? It looks like it looked like it in the freaking video.
Oh, it's like one wing.
But we're gonna go back to where we were camping last night and probably
Maybe we'll see another elk.
yeah, last night Joey went to see if he could find me a root beer at like 10 o'clock.
It was 9 o'clock.
Because I have the best husband. And he comes back with no root beer. But he says, Tasha, there's a big animal out here. And I was like, what?
It was a big
It
bull.
was. It was a big bull elk, a big one.
Pretty funny, he just like creeped up on this like car wash next to us and
Literally
was like, this
in
grass
the middle
is
of
so
town.
good.
Yeah, he was just munching and he'd run back and he'd come and he'd run back. You know, we'll insert the really horrible picture that we got of him here. But anyway, we're gonna head back to that campground and probably just chill and watch Netflix for the rest of the night. And tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow we will do new things maybe. I don't know. We shall see. But that's gonna be it for us today. Hello vlog. We are live from Percy the Sprinter van. And Joey went into the garden supply place. Today is kind of an errand day. We are trying to get some coconut coir for our toilet. We've got to get some produce too. We're gonna try to go to the farmer's market. You guys, bell peppers, y'all. Bell peppers are $4 a piece up in Forks, Washington. Is this normal? Because I have been to Santa Monica, California, Southern California, where prices are high on everything. I have never seen a bell pepper for $4 in my life. Peaches for $4? That broke my little Georgia heart. Anyway, we're gonna go to the farmer's market to see if we can find something a little more cost effective and probably better for us too. And then we're gonna go to the rainforest, which I didn't even know Washington had a rainforest, but that makes like so much sense. And we're gonna check out this other campsite to see if it has service or not. Look how cute this little farmer's market is. Look, here's the farmer's market and there's their little garden. Isn't that cute? But all of the produce was grown locally from like 2 farms, picked like today or yesterday, and it's all organic. I was like, thank you. And guess what? The bell peppers were not $4 each, which just comes to show support local and you save some money and you help a farmer. The trees are so different, you know?
They're covered in moss.
They're covered in moss, yeah. Oh, well, I think that's the river right there. It's a redwood, right?
See, I don't know. It kind of doesn't look like a redwood, right?
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
It doesn't have the bark of like a redwood, but it could be another type of sequoia tree.
Right. Oh no.
My schmancy hat.
Look at his new hat, everybody. Now I can quit wearing mine. It's way too small for him.
Hey. Get over there and show the vlog how big this tree is.
It's this big.
It's huge.
It's bigger than that. It's massive. We love big trees.
They're otherworldly. It's also crazy like how far up it goes before there's like any foliage on it coming off the tree.
That is like the weirdest part about them, I think.
Look. All the way up there.
You'll probably think we are such nerds. Because we're like, oh my god, and this really cool thing, and look at the foliage. And
Extra crunchy. We're taking over
crunchy.
YouTube. Oh, look, the sun.
Where? Oh my god, it's so orange.
So with the smoke as bad as it's been, the sun is kind of a seldomly seen sight. There we go, babe. I'm practicing my alliteration. Are you proud of me?
That's amazing.
Wow, it is petrified and dead, boy.
It looks crazy, doesn't it?
Yeah. With all the bark, like, and color kind of stripped off. It reminds me of driftwood.
Yeah, it's like kind of the same thing. I feel like driftwood is petrified, but maybe from the salt water. I don't know.
It's crazy. It's where a tree's grown over a huge redwood stump.
Oh yeah, that is crazy. What the heck?
You know how like redwood trees can grow into their, like they can share roots?
Yeah.
Look, that's one that's sharing one. That's huge at the bottom.
Yeah. Oh my god.
This is where Moses was born.
Is this supposed to be it? Look at what is this it?
I think, yeah.
I feel like I look dumb because I'm just like looking up.
So we're heading back towards the van, and then we'll probably try to set up camp tonight by the river here. It's gonna be a really cool spot.
It'll be a nice change of pace.
Mm-hmm.
We've been parking lots.
We've been lot lizards.
No, do you know what a lot lizard is? Do you know what a lot lizard is? Okay, that is not what we're doing. I don't want people to treat the earth like it's so cool. You know? It's like you guys.
Such a good message to end on, this one. Earth is so cool, guys, and it's our planet, so let's take care of it. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, consider hitting subscribe, checking out some of these videos YouTube suggests, give us a thumbs up, and interact with us on Instagram. We'd be happy to see ya. Thanks.